So here how I did it. This was actually for a summer project, so I can't link the model, but I will do eventually. But yeah, I need to get my grade in. So I had to study an artist, so I picked the Riot employees from the Riot game episodes. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, those episodes. And I was like, this is easy peasy. Let me just do this. So I didn't record me doing the concept because I was like, I wasn't confident in it. But then it turned out, I was like, oh, okay, I guess I'm using this then. So yeah, I'm gonna link down all the references I use. I'm gonna link down my WordPress too, just in case anybody wants to look at it, since that's part of my homework. So my theme was a mermaid water fairy, so I just shortened it down to a mermaid type character. I was gonna use Misfortune at first, but I couldn't see it in my head, so I changed to Lux, because Lux is an easier character to do. So drew up my concepts, imported that into Blender with the flow, and just put down blobs of the body, and I got to here, to here, to here. And then I had to do the painful task of retopology, covering up all the small messes. You're gonna see me do the hands here, but I never actually do them. I could not be asked. Basically means making this go down to this. I'm really good at explaining things. Got my colours onto her face. It's never gonna look exactly the same because her face is looking a little thick on the sides, but I could not be asked to fix it. We're going to see an add-on I use, but I don't actually end up using it because it was way too complicated for what I was trying to do. I went to rigging and posing. I decided to just rig it up and pose it and then do weight painting, since it's not going to be animated. I wouldn't be animating, or I don't know why I want to animate it. I'm not animating it. So yeah, and then I made a little platform of the League of Legends ground texture, so it looked like she was like in the game. And then boom, we have a model. Sorry if my explanation is really arse. I'm not good at explaining things, but I just wanted to make a quick video about it since, why not? So thank you for watching.